Do you know what today is? It's our anniversary. A day for you and me. Yeah! How's it going, everybody? This is Anime Central, where anime comes to life. I'm your host, Shamplu. And before we get into the anime and manga and gaming news and recommendations, I want to give you all an update. First, I want to say to remind everybody about the two anime and manga rap CDs, the Otaku Volume 1 and the Otaku Volume 2, guys. You can download them here. I have the links in the annotation and in the description, so you can go ahead and download those, guys. And also remember to check out the previous release Berserk Rap to the upcoming Berserk Rap CD that I'm going to be putting out. And also, if you missed it, I recently put up the Impel Down One Piece impressions as well as the Marineford One Piece impressions, guys, so definitely check those out. Alright guys, let's get into the anime news. First up on anime and manga news, Adult Swim's Toonami block is going to be airing One Piece on May 18th, starting on episode 207. Guys, personally, I am kind of against this. I particularly for those people that are not into One Piece, haven't really seen it before, trying to give it another chance or whatever because of the whole 4Kids debacle in the past. I think they should be seeing it from the beginning. I wish that they would just show probably like more episodes, except for just showing one. Probably show like two. You know, I know 3 is probably a little too much, but you know, 2 back to back, I think that would be cool. Because, you know, watching something from the beginning is just the way that you should really be introduced to something. You see the characters, see what they're all about, their dreams, aspirations, see what they're all about. See the whole backstories and everything, and see how they meet the other characters throughout their voyage or throughout their adventure. But where they're starting, I mean, I understand their reasons for starting on episode 207. So hopefully they make the right decision and it all pays out good in the end, guys. But let's go ahead and move on. In other anime news, Miyazaki, the director behind Studio Ghibli Productions, has actually begun work on their next project. Their new work, he's saying he wants to get it done by 2014. He hasn't really given too much information about it, but guys, if you want to go ahead and see if what you can get out of this, check out the link below. High School debut sequel manga One Shot is to run in May. Recently, there has been a High School DxD new sequel posted. Guys, I actually recently finished watching the first season. It's only 12 episodes long. I actually enjoyed it. The next season is going to be airing sometime in the near future. So guys, if you want to see this poster, check out the links below. And also, Black Lagoon, Roberta's Blood Trail, actually does have an English dub cast now, and you can actually check out the dub trailer that was recently released as well in the links below, guys. And that's it for anime this week. Let's get into gaming. This week for game releases, we have Injustice Gods Among Us releasing for the PS3 and the Xbox 360. Pandora's Tower also releasing for the Wii, and Sacred Citadel releasing on the PSN. Guys, out of these games, Pandora's Tower and Injustice Gods Among Us are the two that appeal to me the most. Injustice Gods Among Us seems like a very appealing fighting game created by the guys that are behind Mortal Kombat, and it looks very good. I enjoy the Mortal Kombat style of fighting, and that they're bringing it over to the DC characters in the DC universe. It looks awesome. It looks dope. I definitely can't wait to check this out. I'm pretty sure this game will not consist of all the blood, gore, and violence that you would see in your traditional Mortal Kombat game because it is the DC license, but I definitely do want to check this out. And Pandora's Tower, I'm pretty sure this is going to be a great RPG for the Wii. definitely got to check this out as well. Guys, if any of these games that you are interested in, tell me in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Have you been waiting for them? Have you pre-ordered them? Let me know, guys. Alright, let's get on with the gaming news. Recently, Nintendo has confirmed that on June 28th, they will actually be shutting down some of their Wii channels, such as the Forecast channel, the News channel, the Nintendo channel, and the Everybody Votes channel. There are several others and other things that will be going down. Guys, if you own a Wii and you are curious about this and want more information, check out the links below. Sega is to release the 1990 remake HD of Castle of Illusion, the game that starred Mickey Mouse. It's going to be re-releasing sometime in the near future, guys. If you want more information about this or see a trailer, check out the link below. Guilty Gear Core Plus R gets an April 23rd release date on the PSN, and Capcom's Lost Planet 3 is delayed till August. I played the previous Lost Planet games. I enjoyed them, so hopefully this delay is for better polish in the game, better gameplays, you know, tightening the mechanics, and definitely getting as many glitches out of the game as possible. Games lately in this generation tend to need immediate patches once they're released. Hopefully games can get back to being how they were once upon a time. But anyways, guys, that's it for the gaming news. Let's get on to the recommendation. Okay, guys, before we get into the anime recommendation for this week, I want to remind everybody to check rightstuff.com and amazon.com for your daily and weekly anime and manga deals. I also want to remind everybody to check out the link below for the latest in DVD and Blu-ray anime and manga releases. Guys, what do we recommend this week? Broken Blade, aka Break Blade. This is a 6-part OVA movie series that each movie lasts an hour each. In the world of Broken Blade, it's a very kind of devastating kind of landscape with several metropolises that are planted throughout. But it seems like the entire landscape is kind of like this deserted kind of wasteland and such. And this is a mech series. Now you follow the protagonist, which is Rygar Arrow, and he is actually an unsorcerer. In the world of Broken Blade, an unsorcerer is someone that cannot control quartz, which that he is not able to use magic. And everything in this world is controlled by quartz. Any type of weapon, mechanical mechanism, all utilizes quartz. And since he is an unsorcerer and he cannot control quartz, he is kind of seen as an outcast, and he lives out in like in a farm and everything, and he lives there with his brother. One day he's actually summoned to the kingdom by his friend, which is the current king, King Holder, and he summons him to bring him there to tell him that there is actually a war that's about to brew and he wants his help. Now there's actually a recent mech that the kingdom found that cannot be controlled by magic, and no one can control it, so he believes that his friend Rygar can actually control it. And from then on is where this story kind of explodes and expands and everything. This is a very enjoyable OVA movie series, guys. You can definitely check this out and get this out of the way. Definitely, since it's pretty short, you will definitely enjoy it, especially if you are into mecha series, guys. I very much enjoyed this one. Has a good amount of action, drama, suspense, and yeah, this is definitely worth checking out. You should put the time and effort to look into this, guys. But anyways, check out Broken Blade, aka Break Blade. You will definitely not be disappointed. Alright, guys, this is Anime Central, where anime comes to life. I am your host, Shamplu, as always, and I want to remind you guys one more time to check out the anime and manga rap CDs, the Otaku Volume 1 and the Otaku Volume 2, guys, and the recently released Berserk rap that is on here as well. I'll leave an annotation to that. So guys, I will check you out later. Check me out next time when I lose my memory and my phone gives me the ability to do whatever I want.